The Positions window gives you a wealth of information, while at the same time being easy and comfortable to work with. There are almost limitless possibilities to customize this window. For each individual position, you can check the market price of the instrument, the current result, as well as the required margin. The Close Position button provides a fast and straightforward means to close your open positions. By clicking the corresponding fields in the Positions window, you can also place a limit stop to a position. There is an option to view a profit-loss chart or a trading statistic for your account, providing you with a clearer picture of your performance.